In this video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys a simple copy and paste method that is going to give you the opportunity to earn 90% commissions. Don't worry, you don't have to create crazy systems. You don't need to have tons of traffic. Even you can start this from scratch because I'm going to show you everything, how you can find those people, who are there ready to pay for this product. And don't worry, you don't have to chase them. You don't be messaging. You don't need to be messaging people. You don't need to be contact anybody. They're going to show, or they're actually going to watch something, and they are going to go directly to the offer and take advantage of it. This is something that it actually works work-wide. The strategy works with, well, I'm going to show you. Hey, hello, my name is Castillo. And now let me show you everything here. So let me jump and go to my computer. Let me share my screen really fast so we can be on the same page. Okay. This is a full step-by-step tutorial. So please make sure that you're going to watch it through the end. Okay. First, we're going to be using a platform that it's called clickbank.com. Okay. This is the one that I like. But if for whatever reason you cannot use it in your country because it's restricted, there are other alternatives. You can go to DStore24, you can go to JVSU, or you can go directly to Google and type ClickBank alternative. Okay. But if you can use ClickBank, please make sure that you're going to click here where it says start here and that you are actually going to create your account. Then we are going to go to the marketplace. Okay. And we are going to be typing this. We're going to be typing HIS. HIS. Okay, we're going to be typing HIS, and there are going to be different products. The reason why on this market, it's because, or actually on this niche, is because the top 3 niches in which you guys can earn money online are health, wealth, and relationships. Okay, and this product is going to be solving a product on the relationship niche. Okay, we're going to go with this offer, which is his secret obsession. Okay, it's an incredible conversion of 90%. And okay, what they mean that with front and back is the fact that they do have different products that you're not going to be promoting because you're just going to be promoting the first one. And after that, okay, they're going to be doing the selling for you. Okay. So this is a product that we're going to be promoting, his secret obsession. You can get paid 61, or actually the average cost, or the average amount that they are paying per conversion. Conversion means when someone actually make a purchase is $61.54. Okay. So you're going to go here where it says affiliate page, and you're going to be landing. Oh, no, something really, really important is that I forget to show you the offer. So first we're going to click here where it says his secret obsession. And now you can see this. Okay. This is actually the sales page. Okay. It's just a video that they're going to be watching. And if they decide to purchase, okay, you're going to get the commission. Okay. Something really important is you can see if I decide to quit this page, okay, let's say I'm the customer or the person who is interested, and if I want to try to leave, they are actually, gonna show me a pop-up telling me, hey, don't leave, click the link below so you can get the 14 attraction secrets so they can keep doing, the selling for me. Okay, so now, yes, we are going to go here where it says affiliate page, and we're going to see the resources they do have. Okay, one cool thing, and this is one of the reasons why this product is converting really well, is the fact that they do have different resources. For example, if you click here where it says emails, you are going to notice that they do have different email address from 1 to 7 or from 1 to 9. Actually, really, this is actually really important because people need to see the offer at least 7 times in order to make a purchase. Okay. They need to know information. Okay. about it, and we are not going to be writing a single line. We're going to be literally copy and pasting. But don't worry, you don't have to be seated in front of your computer in order to deliver this message. I'm going to show you everything in a moment. Okay, what else do they have? They do have something that we call the landers or the lead capture pages. Okay, so you're gonna click here where it says lead capture landing page, and you're gonna see that they have it here. But we need to have it in a system, or we need to have it in a platform. Okay, so that we are gonna have this. And don't worry, you don't need to have any kind of technical knowledge. And they're gonna put their first name, their last name, or sometimes just the first name, a valid email address, and that's it. You're going to notice that they are getting a free report. Okay. We don't need to create the free report because they already have it here. Okay. If we click here where it says custom PDF report, you're going to notice that they already have the custom PDF here. And the only thing is that you need to provide your ClickBank ID. You need to type in here. You can customize it with other fields, but that's optional. The most important thing is your ClickBank ID. So you are not going to be missing a cell. So we're going to providing valuable information, okay, for free before they make a purchase. So now, how do you create what we call the landing page? Okay, there are three websites that I'm going to actually share with you. The links are going to be below. The first one is actually ClickFunnels. This is actually very important. The reason why I'm recommending these sites is because you don't need to have any kind of technical knowledge in order to build it. Okay, so you can have a 14-day free trial with ClickFunnels. There is no contract, no cancellation fee. If you want to take advantage with an all-in-one solution, it's actually Builderall. Okay, you're going to have a 14-day free trial with Builderall as well. And if you are in a budget and you're like, Diana, to be honest, I'm on a budget. I I want to test this, but I don't want to spend money right now because I'm just getting started. Yeah, I want something 100% for free without any credit card requirement. That's definitely Systemy.io. So with Systemy.io, again, the link is going to be below as well. You're going to have access to the all-in-one marketing platform. Okay, it's 100% free. You don't need to have a credit card, and you're going to have everything. If you decide to go with ClickFunnels, you will need to have an external tool. Okay. If you use Builderall or Sesame.io, you don't need to have an email marketing tool. In my case, I use Aweber. Okay. I use Aweber. Again, I'm going to leave a link below so you can have full access to Aweber, which is for free. As you can see, I do have several emails. So this is basically what we're going to be doing. We are going to be copying and pasting the email, and we're going to be sending it, after one day. Remember that they provide us the emails. Okay. So literally, you are going to copy the subject. Okay. You're going to copy the pre-header, and you're literally going to copy and paste this. Something important, guys. You need to provide your ClickBank link, okay? Where it says your ClickBank ID, this one, okay? Let me put it in red. ClickBank ID, okay? You need to replace this with your ClickBank ID, okay? So the sale is going to be created for you, okay? So now we have everything. We have what we call the lead magnet. In this case, is going to be a free PDF, okay? We rebuild the landing, okay, that they provide us, and we have the email marketing. Now we need to find, or we need to get people who are actually interested in this specific product, which is his secret obsession. The target, it's actually woman. Okay, that's the target audience. It's actually female. Okay, so where they are, because We don't need to be doing crazy things. Well, to be honest, for this side of product and this side of traffic that we actually need, my favorite traffic source is actually Pinterest. One of the things that I like about Pinterest is the fact that you don't need a lot of followers. As you can see, I only have 11 followers and 2.7 um 2,700 people are watching this per month, which is actually a lot. Okay. So that's the reason why I actually like to use Pinterest. Okay. Another cool thing that I like about this product is that if you go here where it says images and video ads, you're going to notice that they provide you Pinterest images. Okay. With full resolution. You can download them and you can use them. Okay. Also, you can go to fiverr.com and you can hire someone who can actually create this for you. If you go here, you're going to notice that there is a lot of people, you know, um, on this niche because the relationship niche is actually really, really huge. One cool thing that I also like about Pinterest is that the difference between this and other social networks is the fact that people who are browsing on Pinterest have, the buyer intent. What does that mean? That they are browsing because they want to check for information, but they are ready to buy. They're ready to make a purchase. So this is a great way, guys, in which you can actually earn money online. Really simple. If you want to keep learning about this, okay, I'm going to leave the very first link in the description so you can have a full step-by-step video tutorial of how you can actually keep implementing this strategy on the daily basis and have the opportunity to replace your 9 to 5 and live your life in your own terms. Okay, so this is it for this video. I hope you enjoyed this content. If you do, please give me a thumbs up and I'm going to be seeing you on the next video.